Hey, welcome to my channel. So today we're doing an eyeshadow tutorial on this look. I really like the purple in it. I think it's really pretty. I got the inspiration from a girl on YouTube. I'll link her channel below if you guys are interested in checking it out. That's kind of where I got inspired to do the look, because she did a look very similar to this. I think she used the James Charles palette. She used a different palette. I used my Radioactive palette by Melt Cosmetics. It looks like this. I used the pink, the orange, and these two purples. And I used a little bit of a NYX palette, the colorful palette on NYX, and pretty much I used just the Radioactive palette by Melt. But you can use any palettes you have at home with similar colors. Yeah, if you guys like this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. I upload new videos every single week. Just click that little notification bell and you get notified every time I upload new videos. So without further ado, let's get on to the tutorial. To go in with a kind of like a flat brush, we're gonna take that purple. This one's called Feline Myself from the Bretman Rock Jungle Rock palette. We're gonna focus that in the crease. Kind of pushing it in. A darker purple. This one's just from the NYX color palette. Looks like this. I'm gonna put that over top of that other purple. The other one's kind of blotchy. Yeah, that's a bit better. Okay, then we're going to take a smaller brush, like this, just a really small one, and we're going to take the color from the Jungle Rock palette right here. And we're going to just put that over top. Okay, I'm going to go back in with that same purple with like a small blending brush, and I'm just going to try to blend that, make that look blended, not so, there we go. Take a bit more. Pink. Although this is from Melt Cosmetics. And try to put it up top there. Okay, now we're going to cut the crease. So I'm going to take this brush and I'm going to get this yellow here and I'm going to cut the crease with that. Okay, now I got to do the other one. Okay, and then I'm going to take that same yellow that I used before and put it on my eye in the middle. Okay, and then I'm going to take this orange color here and put that on the outside with a really small brush. Now I need to put purple back on the outside. I'm going to use this from the Milk Cosmetics. Then we're going to try this one here first. I can go like that under my, just drag it under my eye. So then I think I'm going to use a little bit of this glitter. I'm going to put a line of glitter across, I think, on the top of it. This is Hypnotic Lights by Milani. It's just like a really pretty glitter. You need something really skinny. Kind of just like that. Okay, so maybe we'll just put that in a corner. Like that. Okay, so now we're going to do eyeliner. I'm just going to use a regular black eyeliner. This is from Essence. Looks like that. Not the best, but it'll work. Okay, mascara, we're going to use Telescopic by L'Oreal, and then I'm just going to put my eyelashes on. I think I'm going to use these ones, and then I'll be right back after I put my eyelashes on. Because I can't do them on camera. This, what was her name? I was inspired by her makeup look she did. Her name is Sanisha Makeup. But yeah, hers is beautiful, beautiful. Let's see where I got the idea to do this look. It's supposed to be a sunset eye. I hope I did okay. It's my first time attempting this look. That purple was kind of blotchy, but originally she used the James Charles palette. Okay, so I did that. My lashes. Now I'll be right back. I'm just gonna put my lashes on and we will do my face. Foundation, I'm gonna use this BB cream. It's by Marcel. I'm going to mix that with this by Makeup Revolution. It's a highlighter. I'm going to mix those two together. I'm going to take a little bit of that and put it on my face. And I'm going to use this flat top kabuki brush. It's by Becky. It's like $8. I'm going to take this is from e.l.f. It's just highlight. And concealer. You sit there. Now I'm going to take the white part and I'm going to take a bit of this too. This is by Stay Matte by Maybelline. Or Rimmel, sorry. Just going to blend that out with this pointed brush by Becky. Then I'm going to take this, it's like a illuminator. It's got pink one, and then yellow, and then a setting translucent powder. I'm just going to take the yellow and set up my under eyes with it. I'm just going to take that with my e.l.f. blush brush. And take a bit of that pink too. And I'm just going to take this powder from Burt's Bees. Set the rest of my face. For bronzer, I'm going to take this bronzer from Marc Jacobs. It's broken. I broke it by accident, but yeah.
Did you push the button on the back?
Okay, so And then I'm going to use a little bit of this NARS one, you know, the Duo. I'm going to use a little bit of that bronzer too. For blush, I'm going to use, this is Take Me Home. Who is it by? Makeup Art Cosmetics. I have no idea. But I really like it. It looks like this. With this brush here, the one I set my under eyes with, I'm just going to mix them together. Okay, for highlighter, we're going to take this. This is the Gold Vault by Physicians Formula. It looks like this. It's really pretty. I think I'm going to take this gold maybe and use that for a highlighter. I'm going to try that white color right here. I think that'd be prettier. Okay, I'm going to spray my face with e.l.f. matte, this is a matte setting spray. Okay, I'm going to use this, it's called Pink Mademoiselle. It's by Marcel. It's a lip. I'm going to use this. This is by Sephora. It's called Made in Italy. Okay, Made in Italy. This is the finished look. I think it looks really good. I'm really happy with how it turned out. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you liked it, make sure you give it a thumbs up. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.